Hello again, YouTube fans. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating ride you won't want to miss, the Zontes 350VX Cruiser. I wish this bike was available in the UK. Yet as you know from your own country imports, the importer decides which Zontes to offer as good sellers. As they have to stock all parts for the models they import as well, this bike is redefining the world of mid-range cruisers, and I'm here to tell you why. First things first, let's talk looks. The 350VX is an absolute stunner, with its sleek lines and bold design. But it's not just about aesthetics. The build quality is top-notch, giving you that premium feel every rider craves. Under the 14-litre fuel tank, we've got a 348 cubic centimeters engine that's both powerful and refined. Whether you're tearing up the highway or cruising through city streets, the 350VX delivers a smooth, responsive ride that'll leave you grinning from ear to ear. Comfort is key on long rides, and Zontes nails it with an ergonomic seat and advanced suspension system that absorbs those annoying bumps like a pro. Plus, with its modern tech features like keyless ignition, full-color TFT display, tire pressure monitor system, and Bluetooth connectivity, you're not just riding, you're experiencing the future. With matching side cases for your journey, you will be ready for that next adventure. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie looking for your first cruiser, the Zontes 350VX is worth every second of your attention. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you're ready to take the 350VX for a spin. Ride safe, everyone, and keep the rubber side down. Regards, Madmick.